I'm being honored with an award, the Women's Icon Award, and it is on the 16th of this month, and it is the iconic womanhood that have put all of this together. Love, wealth, and womanhood. It's going to be at the Hyatt Regency London from 10:30 to 3:30. So I am going to be there. FUMINATION, come and celebrate with me.
I live and I love. I'm Ekene Onu and I'm the founder of Iconic Womanhood. And for me, I just wanted to take a moment to send you a personal video. I'm literally sitting at my dining table and I thought, you know what? I'm going to just tell her how much I admire the work that you've done. I am inspired by you, and not just me, so many of the women in my community. We live and love with you. All the way from Atlanta, we are watching, we are just marveling at how you have built this unstoppable brand right before our very eyes. Your authenticity, your transparency, and your fabulosity are this incredible, impeccable mix, unique only to you, which is the whole business of being iconic, because you have leaned into yourself and you are fully expressed, and it is a marvel to see. I wanted to take a moment and celebrate you. At our very first experience in London, and I've done these all over the world, I have had the opportunity to meet so many incredible women and impact so many other women with the partnership of women like yourself. Stand with you and walk with you and all of that wonderful energy that you bring. I want to live and I want to love. God bless you and thank you for the work that you do. God bless you, Icon.
Are we having a meet and greet? We're having a meet and greet. Yes, we're having a meet and greet again in London, and we're having a meet and greet in New York. Yes, I will get all of the dates for you, but I had to say it.
Cold November night, I met my Mrs. Right. My feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care. I just saw her standing near. Made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right. My one and only one. My one and only.
Okay. Hello, my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. I have been busy, forgive me, but we are here to do what? The Academy Award Red Carpet Fashion Police. And without a beat, because we've got quite a few here, we are going to look upon none other than Laverne Cox, who wore vintage Mugler. It was okay. It was okay. It was okay. It just... I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's... I think I would have liked if the dress was hiked up a little bit more. Elegant, classy, timeless. We have Gabrielle Union and she wore Caroline Herrera. We have Dwayne Wade and he wore Atelier Versace. She's had something done because her face looks terribly different. I scrolled right in and I was saying to myself, is this even Gabrielle? I don't know. And I went in to look for more pics, and she's done something and she's looking like Kimora Lee. Tell me if I am wrong. What do I think of the dress? It's okay. I've seen her in better, to be honest. Hubby looks good. They're a beautiful couple. It was the face for me and I was like, what do we have here? We have the wonderful Issa Rae and she wore Ami Paris. Gorgeousness all the way through. Very timeless, very classy, beautiful girl. Love the black. I love the sequin. I love the purse. She looked absolutely fabulous indeed. America Ferrera wore Versace, and this is the best that I have ever seen her, period. Beautiful dress, beautiful figure with the short bob. She was looking fabulous. She ate this like no man's business. And I said to myself, does she have a different stylist? Because now I'm seeing that she can do it. That you can do it, my darling America. You know I love you. Beautiful. And a bag of chips. Danielle Brooks, she wore custom Dolce & Gabbana, and you looked fabulous, mommy. You look all put together. This is what happens when you get the team. Yeah. Because everything just flows. Everything just flows. She looks like a beautiful, decadent chocolate. I love the bodice. I love the skirt. I love the high slit, as discreet as it is, giving us a heel to boot. Yes, mama. Oh, Lupita. The dress is fire. The dress, my darling, is by Giorgio Armani. The feathers were gorgeous. She looks happy. After all, she's been in Pato La Veta, having a wonderful time, being kissed in the sun. Ha. Girlfriend is looking flawless. Jewelry, makeup, everything beautiful, apart from the hair. The hair looks unfinished. I did not understand it, and I know you want to, and I know because I've got natural hair, you want to do something different. You want to spin it up. Spin it up by all means. As a matter of fact, I'll be learning from your stylist. But this did not transcend. It didn't carry over at all. It just did not. But the dress is flawless. One of my best dress to boot. We have Regina King in Versace. Beautiful color, just set her off, and it's a strapless wrapped around the neck with the slit. The gorgeousness of it all is beautiful, and the detail on the waist. Versace is doing one or two things here on this red carpet. I am living and I am loving. Then we have the gorgeous Ariana Grande, and she was wearing custom Giambattista Valli, and I live for it. The pink and everything. It's giving me a breakfast at Tiffany's. I do adore it. She's petite, so she can really exaggerate with the bouffant and the ribbed dress. I do hope that the bouffant can be taken off and you just have that ribbed silhouette and the heels to match. Gorgeousness, I lived for it. Yes, ma'am. Zendaya in custom Giorgio Armani. She's just a tall glass of cafe latte, mama. Classic beauty, Hollywood glam. The hair, the makeup, the pose, gorgeous, and it really just suits and fits her silhouette. Pink and grey is a wonderful combination. It complements so beautifully all the time. Extremely timeless. Again, it's giving me that kind of Grace Kelly vibes. Gorgeousness. Davina Joy, I have been rooting for you, and I even said in a couple of episodes in the past that I had a funny feeling that you were gonna win, and you did. And your speech was beautiful, because all we truly should be is ourselves. That's your power, because nobody is like you. And she's standing out here in custom Louis Vuitton, looking like a peach and a half. This sky blue is gorgeous. The blonde, the detail, the bouffant, the sleeves, the tail. It's everything. I want it. I love it. I do love it. I do love it. You know what? I tell you right here now, because look, and you guys have seen it so many times. Do you see the sleeves? I just love that glamour of it all, and that's fabulous, darling. Fabulous. Let me just lie this here. It's okay. It needs to go to the dry cleaners anyway. So this is beautiful. You look fantastic, mama. Very proud of you, and you walked up in there looking flawless, as you should. We had Jennifer Lawrence in Dior, Polka Dot Mama. I love the hair. It wasn't giving. It's making me a little dizzy, you know, like I have to step back, like, oh, it's a bit much. It wasn't giving. I'm so sorry. And then we had Margot Robbie in Versace, giving me Barbie vibes, but giving me everything. This dress was to the T. Looks absolutely gorgeous, and I love her hair. Her hair is nice and whimsical. Charlize Theron in Christian Dior, looking flawless. Beautiful, my darling. Absolutely beautiful. and it's got this kind of drop scoop neck, but then it's got this structured on the bust with a strap. It's beautiful, and I love the necklace. I love the earrings, the jewelry. The simplicity is key here. That's what we want, and we got it. Yes, my mom. Emily Blunt. Emily Blunt is wearing Shipperali. Maybe. Aha. Okay. The shoulder straps are lifted off the shoulder. When you first look at it, you think it's a mistake. But that is how it's supposed to be. The tail at the bottom is beautiful. And it's unfortunate. You know why? Because they should have exaggerated it so that we know that that's how it's supposed to look. But because it's not so exaggerated, it looks like a mistake. I like it from the back. I don't like it from the front. No, I don't like it. I don't. It's off. It's giving me the vibes are off, and so I'm not a fan. We have Billie Eilish, and she's in Chanel, and this is her style, and I like it, and I love her makeup. Absolutely beautiful. We have Dwayne Johnson, and he wore Dolce & Gabbana, and he's too shiny. It didn't give me anything at all, just too shiny. It's very disco. He's going dancing. I didn't like it. Brillo pad vibes. Didn't like it at all. Camilla Alves in Versace. You know what I love? I love the gloves. Very classy, but the gloves gives a little naughty. Lived for it. It worked. Elizabeth Banks, and she was wearing Balenciaga. And I like it. It's different. It is different, but it's fun. It's fun. It's nice. It looks great on her. Coleman Domingo, and he's wearing Louis Vuitton. And he looks like a peach. Yes, sir. Go right ahead. I live, and I like the boots. He's so much fun. He is so much fun, and he's handsome. Carrie Mulligan, and she wore custom Balenciaga. Beautiful. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. Nothing to be said. Beautiful, and her skin is moisturized, and she's looking healthy. I lived for it. And yes, my darlings, that's the Oscar red carpet of 2024. Drop down in the comments. Let me know who were your favorites, and I will see you sooner than later, my darlings. Mwah. Kiss.